Hi there, it's Jodi. I have a project to share with you today. I am using a couple of things from our July to December or holiday mini catalog. The first thing, if you have a copy, is on page 33. If you want to look at it online, it's called Brightest Glow. And so this is an awesome stamp set because it's got a variety of Christmas greetings, some that can be used for the outside of a card, like Merry Christmas, and then others that can be used more as like the verse on the inside. So very versatile, some great fonts, just handy to have a set that's all Christmas words so you can use on any of your Christmas projects. So what I did with this is I took the Merry Christmas image and the die that they show with this stamp, and I stamped that in shaded spruce, and this is going to be on the front of my card. The other thing I'm using from this catalog, very inside back cover. This is the Celebrate Everything Designer Series paper. Absolutely amazing paper. It's 12 by 12 and you get 48 sheets. So you might notice here, let me pull it a little bit closer. It says $18, $30 value. So the way that you get this paper or the Caroling Mice stamp set is with rewards, Stampin Rewards. You can host a gathering. You can, have your friends just order online using a host code, just kind of like a book party like they used to call them. Or you can just do a $150 order yourself. So whatever you need to do to get up to that $150 level, that's when Stampin' Rewards start. And these are some options that are exclusive to Stampin' Rewards. You can only get them using your Stampin' Rewards. Now this one is $18. You could just pay the difference if you had 15 in Stampin' Rewards, but it's a $30 value. What I love about this paper, I mean, first of all, it's 12 by 12. There's a ton of it. The colors are bright and fun, but also it's super versatile. It's got fall, it's got Halloween, it's got, you can barely see it here, but those are like some fireworks. You could literally do 4th of July or birthday type celebration, cards, scrapbook pages, whatever. So versatile, awesome, awesome paper. So I pulled out, I cut down this piece here. This is 5 by 3 3/4, and that's what's on the back. So let me start getting this card put together for you. So this is my card base. It's Poppy Parade bone folder, and it is 5.5 by 8.5. And then my next layer is shaded spruce, and this is 5.25 by 4 inches. And I'm just using my Stampin' Seal adhesive on the corners and a little in the middle. You can see, like I said, just such a variety of colors. You could go so many different ways with this. Pull out the yellows, the blues, different shades of green, lots of options. So I'm gonna go ahead and layer this right on here. And then we have a couple of options. So this is my card so far. This piece is 5 inches by 1 inch. It's Poppy Parade, just like the card base. So I could lay that here and add my label. And I like that, okay? I wanted to add just a little bit. And so what I did is pulled in this embossing folder, ran the strip through there, and now I'm gonna use that piece, and it adds just a little bit of texture, but I like that extra element. You absolutely could just leave it as a flat strip of the cardstock. Especially when you're mass producing. If you wanted to make this for your Christmas card this year, you need to consider, do you want it embossed? Do you want to leave it flat? Lots of options, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go ahead and attach the embossed layer here. And that's just going to go right down the center, just in the middle there. And press that down. Now, what I want to do before I attach this, I am going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals to give this a little height off of the card. But what I want to do is add some ribbon. This is actually our Parakeet Party ribbon here. It's the, what do they call it? Metallic woven ribbon. So it's not exactly the shaded spruce. It doesn't really match that, but I felt like it pulled out this green, and I just love the metallic on it. So I'm going to cut a piece a little bit longer than my label, And I'm going to go ahead on the label and put just a little bit of adhesive, maybe right in the middle. And then I'm going to use that to tack the ribbon down. So I'll kind of, let's see here, try to lay it flat, find the center. That's about right there. So I'll just kind of press it into it. And then what I'm going to do is take the end and just feed it right through that little hole on the label. So just feed it right through there. Okay, so now I've got my Merry Christmas with that ribbon going right through those ends. Then I'll go ahead and add some dimensionals. I'm going to do one right in the middle and then one in each corner of the label. And we'll go ahead and pull the backing off of those. And then that'll just give it a little bit of dimension as I place it on the card. Now, there's one teeny tiny thing that I'm going to do. So let me pull this up so you can see it. Love the metallic ribbon. It adds a lot, just a little bit of shimmer. But what I'm going to do is one simple thing to this ribbon. I'm just going to kind of pull it apart. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just pull it apart. And I just like that extra texture that that gives. Okay, so that's what I've got for you today. If you decide this is what you'd like to do for your Christmas card, you can reach out and I can help you figure out exactly what you need to order for however many cards you need to make. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.